Hi, I'm Romy, a part of the design team here at NYKB.
And I'm Q, project manager at NYKB, where we've been remodeling homes throughout New York City for 20 years.
We're a full-service design build firm and a true one-stop shop for kitchens, bathrooms, and full apartment renovations.
That means we handle everything from design, planning, permits, and final installation.
Every project starts with a free consultation where we take the time to understand your style and your space. During the design phase, you'll receive a full-color 3D rendering so you can clearly visualize your new kitchen, bathroom, or apartment before any work begins.
Once the design is approved, our team will oversee every phase of the renovation, including building approvals, electrical, plumbing, and construction. You'll be supported throughout the renovation by a dedicated designer and project manager.
And for added peace of mind, NYKB offers our exclusive 10-year labor warranty.
Yes, now that sets us apart from any other contractor in New York City.
So come visit our showroom today.
We look forward to bringing your vision to life.